This tutorial outlines how to create newspaper article citations. Unlike book citations, which can be directly imported from WorldCat, newspaper articles need to be copied into NoodleTools. On the library homepage, under Research and Citation Guides, you find a collection of NoodleTools print tutorials. This tutorial will cover the same information found in the NoodleTools Newspaper Article Citations Guide. I'll begin by logging into my NoodleTools account. If you have not created an account, please consult the directions found in the registration PDF or screencast. I will search for articles in the database ProQuest Historical Newspapers. I will search for Indian Rebellion 1857. The best way to find the most relevant articles is sort articles by oldest first. This option is found in the left-hand column. I know the event began in June 1857, so I'll focus on articles during this time. I will open the 23rd result, the Mutiny in India. I will enter this article's citation information in a NoodleTools. In NoodleTools, choose the project that you want to add the citation to. Click on Sources and add a new source. This article is from a database. I will choose this under Where is it? Under What is it? I will choose Newspaper. Make sure you're citing an article from a newspaper. This is outlined at the top of the page. All the information I need is found on the article page. Copy and pasting is a quick way to enter the information. The URL is the first field that I need to fill out. In ProQuest Historical Newspapers, under All Options, at the top I can copy and paste the URL for this article. Next is the name of the database, which is ProQuest Historical Newspapers. The next is the author field. Many older newspaper articles do not have an author, such as this one. We'll leave the author field blank. Next is the article title. The rest of the information that I need is found at the top of the article page. Here's the article title, which I'll copy and paste into NoodleTools. Next is the page number. This is found here. It's found on page 1. Next is the name of the newspaper, which is the Observer, which is found right here. The last information I need to enter is the publication date, found here, June 29th, 1857. This is all the information I need to enter for a newspaper citation. I'll click Save at the top right-hand corner, and your newspaper article is now in your project's source list.